Hello everybody, today for our art project we are going to make an octopus, toilet paper tube octopus. So what you're going to need is a toilet paper tube painted blue, scissors, googly eyes, glue, and Fruit Loops. Okay, you might need liquid glue, but I think if we put the glue stick onto the octopus legs it'll work just fine. Alright, so I'm going to tilt it down just a little bit. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is to cut out your octopus legs. Now what I did is I quartered it and then I cut each of those quarters in half. Okay? That way, and I cut it about half, well, I don't know, 1/3, half way up the toilet paper tube to make my legs long enough. And they're not all going to be exact, and that's okay. So then that way I know I have 8 legs. Okay? So then what you're going to do is you're going to curl up the legs. Now you might need the scissors to help you make one side a little bit longer so it curls up nicely. Okay, and you're going to just spread those out. And on the seam here of the tube it is a little bit tougher to cut. Just like that. Alright, so there you have your octopus legs. Okay? Next thing you're going to do is take 8 Fruit Loops, and I'm just going to give me a pile here, and you're going to glue them onto the octopus legs. Okay? So, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on each one. Oop, that one apparently gets a lot. That way I only have to do this part once, and I don't have to keep transitioning from the glue stick to the Fruit Loops. So they all have glue on them, so now I'm going to stick my Fruit Loop onto my octopus. And you might need to use liquid glue for this. They don't seem to be wanting to stick very well. Okay, so, ooh, that one stuck together. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go get liquid glue. Alright, so I had to go get the liquid glue, because although those are staying better than I thought, I would rather them be really secure. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of the Fruit Loops. Maybe. Having a lot of technical difficulties today, guys. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to put glue on each of the Fruit Loops. Okay. And I'm the kind of person that I don't necessarily need a pattern to it, but I don't want the same color Fruit Loop next to each other. I don't know. If you want to make a pattern, you can. If you want to put 2 Fruit Loops of the same color next to each other, it does not matter. It is however you want to do it. And that is the beauty of art, that you really can't mess it up that much. Alright, so now my Fruit Loops are glued onto my octopus legs. Now I've got my eyeballs. Okay? I like this side, so I'm going to make that side the front. So I'm going to actually go back to my glue stick, because I know the glue stick will work for the eyeballs. Alright, I got a bunch of glue on the eyeballs, and I'm going to stick them on. Okay. Alright. And there you have it. There is your toilet paper tube octopus. I hope you guys enjoy making it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.